Casual style should make a man look relaxed, not careless. But after 40, a few familiar pieces can quietly age the whole outfit. The fix is not dressing younger. It is choosing cleaner colors, better shapes, and smarter details. Start with this first item because it changes everything today fast. Item number 1, bright polos. A polo can be one of the easiest casual pieces a man owns. It has a collar, it feels relaxed, and it can work with jeans, chinos, shorts, or a light jacket. The problem begins when the color gets too loud. Bright polos in neon blue, fire red, lime green, or electric yellow can make a grown man look like he is dressed for a golf day from another decade. Even when the shirt is expensive, the color can make the whole outfit feel cheaper. It pulls attention to the shirt before anyone notices the man wearing it. After 40, a polo should look calm. Navy does that almost every time. It still feels casual, but it looks more mature than bright colors. It works with white jeans, stone chinos, beige shorts, dark denim, and clean sneakers. Navy also flatters most skin tones without looking harsh. The Versace navy polo is a strong example because it keeps the polo simple, dark, and refined. It gives the outfit polish without needing a giant logo or loud color, and it is linked in the description. The fit should be just as quiet as the color. The sleeves should sit around the middle of the upper arm. The body should skim the torso without pulling at the buttons. The length should fall around the hip, not halfway down the thigh. This is the rule: keep the polo, lose the loudness. A navy polo gives you the same ease, but with far more control. It also makes getting dressed easier because navy rarely argues with anything else in the wardrobe. That matters when casual style needs to be quick, clean, and repeatable. Item number 2, graphic tees with huge prints. A graphic tee can be fun, but after 40, the wrong one can take over the whole outfit. Giant prints, joke slogans, cartoon faces, band-style shirts with fake distressing, and oversized logos can make a casual look feel less grown-up than it needs to be. The issue is not personality. A man should still dress with character. The issue is when the shirt does all the talking before he does. A loud tee can make a clean pair of jeans look messy. It can make good shoes look accidental. It can even make a decent jacket feel like it was thrown on to cover the mistake. A better move is a plain tee with better fabric and a cleaner shape. White, navy, black, gray, olive, and cream are the safest colors. They are simple but not boring. They give the rest of the outfit room to breathe. Pay attention to the collar. A stretched neckline makes even a new shirt look tired. The shoulder seam should sit close to the shoulder, not halfway down the arm. The body should have enough room to move, but not so much that it looks like sleepwear. This is where casual style becomes easier. A clean tee under an overshirt looks intentional. A clean tee with dark denim looks masculine. A clean tee with chino shorts feels simple and sharp. If you still love graphics, keep them smaller, softer, and less obvious. A small chest print is usually better than a giant design across the whole front. The goal is not to erase taste. It is to stop one shirt from turning the outfit into a costume. Once the shirt looks cleaner, the shorts need the same discipline. Item number 3, baggy cargo shorts. Baggy cargo shorts are one of the fastest ways to make a casual outfit look heavier than it really is. The big side pockets add bulk. The long length cuts the leg short. The loose fabric can make the entire lower half look wider and less controlled. They can be useful for yard work, camping, fishing, or any day when you genuinely need pockets. But for normal casual wear, they often look too practical in the wrong way. They make the outfit feel like it was chosen for storage, not style. A better short has a cleaner shape. It should sit properly at the waist, fall above the knee, and avoid extra fabric around the thigh. For most men, a 7-inch or 8-inch inseam is a good starting point. It gives enough coverage without making the legs disappear. The Orlebar brown Bulldog shorts are a good example of the cleaner direction. They still feel relaxed, but the shape is sharper, and the finish looks more intentional than a bulky cargo pockets. The color also matters. Stone, navy, olive, khaki, faded black, and light blue are easy to wear. They pair well with polos, tees, linen shirts, and simple sneakers. Avoid loud prints unless you are at the pool or on a proper holiday. Shorts should make you look relaxed, not unfinished. The cleaner the short, the easier it is to make the whole outfit look adult. If you want one simple rule, it is this: the pocket should never be the main feature of your shorts. Let the shape, fabric, and proportion do the work instead. A cleaner short makes the legs look longer, the shoes look better, and the whole outfit feel lighter. Item number 4, skinny jeans. Skinny jeans had their moment, but on most men over 40, they can look dated fast. The problem is not that they show the body. The problem is that they squeeze the body in a way that often looks uncomfortable and forced. When jeans grip the calves, pull across the thighs, and narrow too sharply at the ankle, the proportions start to suffer. The top half can look bigger. The shoes can look oversized. Even a good shirt can look less natural because the lower half feels too tight. A better choice is straight or slim straight denim. This shape gives the leg a cleaner line without looking baggy. It follows the body, but it does not fight the body. That difference is important. Levi's 501 jeans work well here because they have a classic straight shape. They do not chase trends. They sit in that useful middle ground where a man can wear them casually without looking like he is trying to dress like his son. Dark blue denim is the easiest starting point. It works with navy polos, white tees, Oxford shirts, suede jackets, and simple sneakers. A medium wash is also useful, especially for daytime outfits. Just avoid heavy fading, extreme distressing, and artificial whiskering that looks too busy. The hem matters too. If the jeans stack heavily over the shoe, they look sloppy. If they stop too high, they can look awkward. A slight break or clean hem usually works best. Good jeans should make you look comfortable in your own age, not trapped in someone else's trend. They should move with you when you sit, walk, and bend. If you are constantly adjusting them, they are not stylish. They are just tight. When the jeans look current, the shoes have to keep up. Item number 5, running shoes with every outfit. Running shoes have a purpose. They are built for movement, support, and performance. That is why they often have mesh panels, thick soles, bright details, and technical shapes. They can be excellent for running, walking, and training. The mistake is wearing them with everything. When a man wears athletic running shoes with jeans, chinos, polos, casual shirts, or a nice jacket, the outfit starts to lose balance. The shoes look too sporty for the clothes. Instead of casual, the result can feel unfinished. A cleaner sneaker is usually the better choice. Think simple leather, suede, canvas, or a low-profile shape without too much contrast. White, off-white, brown, gray, navy, and black are easy colors to use. They keep the outfit calm. This does not mean your shoes need to be delicate. They just need to look like they belong with the clothes. A simple leather sneaker can work with dark denim and a navy polo. A suede sneaker can soften chinos. A desert boot can make a casual shirt look more considered. A loafer can turn a basic outfit into something sharper without making it formal. Shoes are powerful because they sit at the end of the outfit, but they affect everything above them. Loud running shoes can drag the whole look down. Quiet shoes let the outfit feel finished. Keep running shoes for real activity. For daily casual style, choose shoes that still give comfort, but look like part of the outfit. A man over 40 does not need flashy shoes to look modern. He needs the right shoes. If the outfit is clean but the shoes look like gym equipment, the eye stops there. That is why one better casual shoe can change more outfits than another stack of shirts. Item number 6, hoodies that look like pajamas. A hoodie can be comfortable, useful, and perfectly fine in the right setting. But some hoodies cross the line from relaxed to careless. Thin fabric, faded color, stretched cuffs, sagging pockets, and a loose hood can make a man look like he left the house without finishing the outfit. The issue is not age. The issue is structure. After 40, soft clothes still need shape. A casual top should sit well on the shoulders, hold its form, and make the body look cleaner. It should not collapse around the torso. A better choice is a structured sweatshirt, a clean crew neck, a knit hoodie, or a quarter zip. These pieces keep the comfort but remove the sloppy feeling. They also layer better under jackets and over tees. The reigning champ crew neck is a useful example because it keeps the look simple and athletic without looking messy. It has the relaxed feel men want, but the shape is more grown up than a tired hoodie. Colors should stay simple. Navy, gray, charcoal, cream, olive, and washed black are easy to wear. Avoid giant chest logos, shiny prints, and overly long fits. The cleaner the sweatshirt, the more expensive it tends to look. This is an easy swap because it does not ask you to stop dressing comfortably. It only asks you to upgrade the version of comfort you choose. A hoodie says casual. A sloppy hoodie says careless. A better sweatshirt says relaxed but still aware. It also makes layering easier. Put a clean crew neck under a field jacket, chore coat, or simple overcoat, and the outfit still feels relaxed without slipping into weekend at home mode. After the top half has shape again, the smaller details become easier to notice. Item number 7, loud logo belts. A belt is a small item, but it can change how the whole outfit reads. A loud belt with a huge buckle, shiny hardware, or obvious designer logo can pull attention to the wrong place. It can make a simple outfit look like it is trying too hard. The best belts are usually quiet. They hold the outfit together without asking for praise. Brown leather, black leather, dark suede, or woven leather will almost always look better than a giant buckle screaming across the waist. This is especially true with casual outfits. Jeans and chinos already have texture. Polo shirts, tees, and casual shirts already create the upper half shape. The belt should connect everything, not compete with everything. Fit is also part of the look. A belt should sit flat. The ends should not hang too long. The leather should not be cracked, peeling, or warped. Old belts age a man quickly because they sit right in the middle of the body. A woven belt can be a smart choice for casual style because it adds texture without looking flashy. It works with denim, chinos, linen trousers, and summer shorts. It also feels less formal than a smooth dress belt. The rule is simple. If people notice the belt before they notice the outfit, the belt is probably too loud. You do not need to remove personality. you only need to lower the volume. A quiet belt makes a man look more confident because it does not beg for attention. This is the same reason simple watches, clean sunglasses, and plain wallets usually age better than loud accessories. Quiet pieces leave room for the man, not the logo. Item number 8. Shiny club shirts. A shiny club shirt is one of those pieces that can age a man instantly. Tight black fabric, satin shine, contrast collars, loud patterns, and oversized cuffs often look like they belong to a different nightlife era. The shirt may have felt sharp years ago. Today, it usually reads as forced. It tries to create confidence with shine and drama, but the result often feels less elegant than a simple cotton shirt. A better casual shirt has texture, not shine. Oxford cloth, linen, chambray, soft twill, brushed cotton, and relaxed poplin all look more current. These fabrics photograph better, move better, and age better. The Alex Mill shirt is a good example of the direction to take, and it is linked in the description. It has that easy casual feel, but it still looks like something a grown man chose with care. The fit should be relaxed but not oversized. You should be able to button it without pulling across the chest. The sleeves should not drown the arms. The length should work tucked or untucked, depending on the outfit. Wear it open over a plain tee buttoned with jeans or under a light jacket. Keep the colors simple: white, blue, navy, olive, cream, or soft stripes. These choices give you more use and less regret. A casual shirt should make you look approachable, not like you are auditioning for a club photo from 2006. The best version feels natural in daylight, at dinner, on vacation, or at a relaxed weekend event. That is how you know it belongs in an adult wardrobe. Once the shirt stops shouting, the warm weather shoes need the same restraint. Item number 9. Flip-flops away from the beach. Flip-flops have a place. They are fine at the pool, by the beach, in a hotel room, or after a shower. The problem starts when they become everyday footwear for restaurants, shopping, airports, casual dinners, or city walks. They make most outfits look unfinished. Even if the shirt and shorts are decent, flip-flops can pull the whole look down. They are too exposed, too flimsy, and too casual for many places where men still want to look put together. The better move is not always a closed shoe. A man can still wear summer footwear. He just needs a version with more shape. Leather sandals, huaraches, espadrilles, boat shoes, loafers, or clean low sneakers all look more intentional. The key is structure. A proper sole, better straps, cleaner material, and a stronger shape can make a summer outfit feel complete. You can still feel relaxed without looking like you forgot where you were going. This is especially important on vacation. Many men pack decent shirts and shorts, then wear flip-flops everywhere. The result is always less polished than it could be. A better sandal takes up little space and works harder. Also, think about condition. Dirty soles, worn straps, and flattened rubber are never stylish. If the footwear looks like it belongs near a public shower, it should not be worn to dinner. Flip-flops are not evil. They are just too limited. Keep them for the beach and pool. Everywhere else, choose footwear that respects the outfit. Your feet can still breathe. The look can still feel easy. It just needs a little more finish. Item number 10. Cheap-looking baseball caps everywhere. A baseball cap can be useful. It can protect your face from the sun, cover messy hair, and add a relaxed finish to the right outfit. But when it is old, warped, stained, or covered in loud logos, it can make a man look careless. The biggest mistake is wearing the same tired cap everywhere. The gym cap becomes the lunch cap. The yard work cap becomes the airport cap. Then suddenly, even a decent outfit looks less clean because the accessory on top looks forgotten. A better cap should be simple. Denim, cotton, suede, canvas, or linen can all work. The shape should hold itself. The brim should not be bent into an extreme curve. The logo, if there is one, should be small. Color matters here too. Navy, washed black, stone, olive, tan, and denim blue are easy choices. They pair well with most casual wardrobes and do not fight the rest of the outfit. But the bigger lesson is knowing when not to wear one. A cap does not belong everywhere. At dinner, indoors, or with a sharper casual outfit, taking it off can instantly make you look more polished. After 40, casual accessories should look chosen, not automatic. A cap should finish the outfit. It should not look like a habit you forgot to question. The same rule applies to every item in this list. Keep the comfort, remove the noise, choose better shape, better color, and better condition. That is how casual style starts looking mature, without becoming stiff. You do not need a perfect wardrobe. You need fewer weak links. Fix the pieces people see first, and the whole outfit improves. If your casual wardrobe feels stuck, start with one swap, not a full closet rebuild. Cleaner colors, sharper shoes, better fits, and quieter details will do more than loud trends ever could. Like, subscribe and watch the next video for more simple style upgrades. Items are linked in the description.